Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file individual returns. First, collect all your income statements, including Form W-2 from employers and various Form 1099s for other income sources. Next, identify your correct filing status, which could be single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize, as this choice significantly impacts your taxable income. This initial preparation is crucial for an accurate return. Once your documents are ready, calculate your total gross income from all sources. This includes wages, interest, dividends, and any other taxable earnings. Then, apply all eligible deductions and credits to reduce your adjusted gross income. Common deductions include student loan interest, health savings account contributions, and certain educator expenses. These steps are vital for accurately determining your tax liability and ensuring you do not overpay. Now it is time to complete your tax forms, typically Form 1040. Carefully enter all your income, deductions, and credits onto the correct lines. It is essential to double-check every entry for accuracy, as even small errors can lead to delays or penalties. Once reviewed, choose to e-file for faster processing and confirmation, or mail a paper return. Remember to submit everything by the official deadline. After filing, always keep copies of your submitted forms and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is important for your records and any potential future inquiries. If your financial situation is complex, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized advice. And for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. It is a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, anytime. Remember, staying organized is key to managing your taxes effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.